So we have been taking the first steps towards our new adventure. And while we're not ready for the big boat yet, we thought we might take the step and get the little boat. It's not perfect. It's 11.5-foot Rendova. And obviously it needs a new tube, but everything else about it is very workable. It's well within our budget and allows us to be able to begin the process of learning how to use these bad boys. It's got a 30-horse Tohatsu and it works really well. Yeah, we need to clean up. We got a little bit of work to do, but it has a bimini on it. It's got an anchor on it, and just needs a little TLC, and we will be on the water. You can kind of see the shape it's in right now. Like I said, a little bit of cleanup, a little bit of work. We gotta clean out, get the bilge pump working, wire pipe in the filter again, clean out the bilges. Need to replace the switches and stuff. She's had a few years on her, but definitely has got some potential. And just needs a little bit of our TLC, and we'll be able to get her on the water. We have a new tube coming, our used tube, but it's still a new tube to us, and it's the last step before we get her cleaned up. As you can see, they had a big blowout here. But all in all, we got the boat, the motor, the trailer, everything we needed to get started on this adventure.